Here's a new 2019 GMC YUKON XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this YUKON XL has even more of it. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V8 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and manual transmission. Of the YUKON, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Hurry in today for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.